The 2017-2020 Honda Ridgeline key fob uses a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You'll know it's time for a replacement when you notice a diminished range, unresponsiveness, or a key battery low alert on your dashboard. To replace it, gently pry open the fob using a flathead screwdriver. The fob's design includes a simple pry-open mechanism. Carefully remove the old battery, noting the polarity to avoid damage, and insert the new CR2032 battery. Ensure the rubber gasket is properly seated to maintain weather resistance. This is a user-serviceable component and avoids soldering. Using genuine or high-quality CR2032 batteries can prevent corrosion and potential damage. When purchasing a new battery, beware of counterfeit batteries, as low-quality CR2032 cells can fail prematurely. Users report battery life of 2 to 4 years under normal conditions. Colder weather and frequent use will reduce battery efficiency. While the 2017-2020 Ridgeline continues to use physical batteries, future trends point towards smartphone app integration and keyless start systems. Newer models may use wireless charging or energy harvesting. By 2030, battery-free fobs using RFID or NFC technology could become more common, though legacy models will continue using CR2032 batteries. If you get water in your fob, be sure to let it completely dry before using again.